Aloha. Hello, power nappers. Do you guys know that you signed up for a power nap? Yeah, right? We usually wait for everyone to come, and then we just did the math on that, of if we wait, then your power nap isn't long enough when we have to start the next people. So we're going to start right now, rather than waiting the 15 minutes that we're supposed to for the full class to fill up. And we're just going to start, and if they come late, they can get in, or we're going to go. So hi, my name is Carmen Curtis. Hi, I'm the founder of AIReal Yoga. Yoga in the air, but really yoga. Usually we do yoga the whole time, but there's been some requests for nap time. And yeah. And, you know, I was a little bit of against it until recently. I've been working with the Red Bull high performance athletes, and they've been doing brain mapping. And they have some proven studies on high performance people, executive athletes, that we're supposed to nap. It's actually a good thing. It's not just for the kids. Our brain needs it. Our body needs it. We need to take a nap. But we're not supposed to nap too long. 12 to 15. Don't go over 15 minutes, right? So we're going to have a timer. Yes, we are. And so, yeah, I wanted to at least get you into a cool experience so you could enjoy a time of peace and rest. You don't even have to totally fall asleep. You just have to let go and relax for 12 to 15 minutes. So I am really excited. We have DJ Tribal Dreams here. He's going to help you relax and get into your floating Shavasana. So yeah, not only do you get a hammock, and we're going to give some foot rub love, you have Tribal Dreams to make it all come together for you. So the first thing I want to do is I want to do a posture with the hammock just to settle us in, pull us into focus, and then I'm going to get you in the hammock, okay? And then I'll shut up so you can have your time for your brain to recover, right? Yes. Okay. If at any time while you're in it you don't feel well or it's too much for you, you can always come down onto your yoga mat too. It doesn't say you have to be in a hammock. The doctors say you just need to relax for those 12 minutes. So let's release the knot that was allowing us to know that you're... Ow, my mat's burning my feet. So if yours is burning your feet, you can take it away too. And then I'd like for you to open it up so it looks like a loop. So looks like an O. And you're going to bring it around behind you and underneath the armpits. And it's going to be in your upper back and your rib cage. And then if you walk, and the hammock holds 1,000 pounds. Whew, yeah, feeling better about that now. Walk back till you feel some tension. Interlace the fingers behind the head and just take a gentle reach side to side, keeping the feet rooted into the ground. Coming into the center. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale. Look forward, hands onto the hammock. Bend the knees and keep your weight in it as we walk forward into chair. You're going to feel a little tension on your shoulders, but this is help give traction. So draw your shoulders down and just close your eyes and let yourself rock. And just kind of let go as the hips are loose. Put the breath into anywhere you feel tension. Keep the shoulders drawing down. A little decompression of the spine. It's going to be nice before we lay down to have a little decompression. And straighten up those legs. Draw the hips up. Interlace the fingers behind the neck. Extend through the spine. Open the heart and lay back. If you want to have a gentle sway side to side, you can. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend the knees, drop the hips, pull the head forward, look forward. On your next rock forward, and on your next inhale, pull yourself up to a stand. Exhale when you get there. Just soften the arms down for a moment. Feel your own vibrations. Feel the sensations that you get just from a little decompression. Hopefully it helped pull you a little bit into the zone. Another deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Good. All right, we're gonna come out of the hammock now. I'm gonna grab onto an edge. It's where it unravels. And then walk to the back of your mat. Wave the hammock around so it opens up so you can see all 8 feet of it, so it's not folded. The teachers are going to come around and help you. We're going to get in, but if you need assistance getting in, we're going to come help you. So then reach in and gather in about 3 to 5 handfuls of fabric. If you're shorter, not 3 or 4. If you're taller, maybe 5. So ultimately, then wherever your gather ends, that's where your bottom's going to be. So you need to have enough length for your legs. And then stay holding on to that gathered fabric with one hand, and then walk to the front of your mat. Reach behind you. So now both hands have gathered fabric, and you're holding on to the same opening. And then you're going to walk back and bring your hands wider than your hips, elbows in and shoulders in. So with the wind, we should all face the ocean in order for this to work, because you want to feel that the wind is blowing a tail behind you, right? And if you can feel that there's a whole bunch of fabric behind you, you're going to feel more safe when we start to get in here. So elbows are in, shoulders are in, and you're completely covered like you have wings. So if you feel that your elbow is not fully immersed, Shayna here. If you're not fully immersed, then we need to get it immersed. Now, on your tippy toes, elbows wide, push the hammock down and begin to lay back in the hammock. Lay back in the hammock and then bring your knees up so the gathered fabric is underneath your knees. Your knees are going to be bent and hanging down towards the ground. Nice. And then you're laying down, and then reach the arms long above you so your arms are completely immersed into the hammock. Start to breathe through the nose here. And then from here, take a little gentle reach side to side. Arms are extended above you, a gentle reach side to side. And then now bring your heels into the edge of the hammock and then straighten your legs so you're fully immersed in the hammock. And then from here, to get comfortable, we might need to find a comfortable place for the arms. So you might want to bend your elbows, or maybe one hand on each shoulder, or hands by the side, whatever allows you to feel comfortable so you can begin to melt in. Yes. Soften the breath. Breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. With every exhale, allowing yourself to melt into the hammock, softening, relaxing into your floating shavasana. You are safe. You are supported. You are loved.